Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Pikachu versus Eevee surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pikachu versus Eevee surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice little fold right down the middle. That way we have a little birthday card shape. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to line these up one more time, give it a nice little fold, and now I have like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I've got these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Pikachu right here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up and then over. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then curve it down. Then I'm going to bring this line up to a point, and then we'll bring it down, kind of like a curve. Next, I'm going to bring this line back down to the fold. And then for that next ear, I'm going to draw another line that comes up, and then we'll bring it down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw lines that's going to come down and up and like a curve. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Now, starting here for the arm, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. And same thing here, we're just going to kind of curve this down. Now, starting right up here for the nose, let's draw a line that goes over and then comes down for his tiny nose. And we can just go ahead and color this in. Then right here, I'm going to make his eye. So I'm going to begin by making a diagonal line. Then I'm going to make a little circle shape right here. I'm going to make a small little circle right here for the reflection. Then I'm going to make a little curve right here for another part of his eye. I'm going to make a little stripe that goes over and back, and then one more. It's going to come over and then back here. Then I'm going to draw a little curve here and a little curve here for some detail on his ears. Then, starting right here for his little red cheek, I'm just going to draw a line right here. And we're only going to do half of it because we won't see the other half. Now, over here, I want to draw Eevee. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do pretty much the same thing as Pikachu. I'm just going to come over, and then, or kind of come up and then bring it back. Now I'm going to curve this up to here. I'm going to make a few little points on here for the hair. And then I'm going to bring this line right to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here. We're going to kind of round it. We're going to bring it down and then back here. We'll make a couple little zigzag lines. And then we're just going to draw a curve here and then a curve here for the inside of the ear. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this right to here. Then I'm going to make another ear. I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come up here, and then it's going to come down. Now I want to make the little mane on Eevee. So I'm going to begin by just making a line that curves down and then comes up. And then same thing here, I'm going to curve this down and up. Now I'm going to make some more little points that just kind of go down and up. And some more right there. I'm going to bring this line down, and then bring a line down here. Now for the nose, let's just draw a little line that goes out and then down. And then we can color this part in. Now for the eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a big oval shape. So I'm just going to make this nice big oval shape here. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes off the top. And then like a little line down for the eyebrow. Then at the top of the eye, I'm going to make a nice big circle for like the reflection. Then another line right down here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. After we open this up, we have two halves of our Pokemon. So let's come over here and start with Pikachu. So I'm going to begin right here by bringing this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve this line up a little bit. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up here. I'll make a little curved line right here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the tongue. And then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Now, I want to make some of like the electric bolts kind of coming out of here. So I'm just going to draw a couple little zigzag lines to go right to here. And then I'll make a couple more little ones here. I'm going to make a few more little zigzag lines right over here as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down and I'm going to curve it around. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this down and kind of right to here for the little cheek on Pikachu. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. And then I'll add one more here, a little line down, and then a little line up. Next, starting here, let's make the mouth on Eevee. So I'm going to draw this line down, and then up here. We'll make a little line here. And I'm going to make this line come down, and we're just going to connect it to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'll put a couple little points on it, and then bring it down to here. I'm going to make a little curved line right here for the tongue. And then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down, and a little line that comes up. And then another line that comes down, another line that comes up. Next, I'm going to bring this line out at a diagonal and this line down at a diagonal. And then I'm going to make some little pointed lines right around here, all around here to kind of make it look like Eevee's sand attack. And then over here, I'm gonna make some kind of like really pointed zigzag lines. So it kind of looks like Pikachu's electric attack. So we're just gonna kind of make these right over here. Then I'm going to just connect these lines right up to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Pikachu versus Eevee Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, they're doing a little face-off, and then when we open it, they're using their special Poke attacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.